Today, we'll learn to build the largest and smallest four-digit numbers from any four given digits. Let's start with these digits, 9, 3, 7, 5. To create the largest number, place the digits in descending order, from the greatest to the smallest. We have the digits 9, 3, 7, and 5. To make the largest four-digit number, find the largest digit and place in the thousands place. Can you say which is the largest? Yes, it is 9. Now place 9 in the thousands place. Then check the next largest number. Yes, it is 7 and place in the hundreds place. Then find the next largest among the remaining numbers, 5 and 3. 5 is larger than 3, so place in the tens place and 3 in ones place. So, with 9, 3, 7, 5, the greatest possible number becomes 9,753. Now, to form the smallest number, arrange digits in ascending order, from the smallest to the greatest. Compare the digits. 3 is the smallest, so place it in thousands, then 5 is the next smallest. So place 5 in the hundreds place, next is 7, so place 7 in the tens place, and 9 in ones place. The smallest possible number, with 9, 3, 7, 5 is 3,579. Now try to write the smallest and largest four-digit number using the digits 1, 0, 2, and 7. To make the biggest four-digit number with the digits 1, 0, 2, and 7, we put them in order from the largest to the smallest. Start with the biggest digit, 7, then the next biggest, 2, then 1, and finally the smallest, 0. So, we get the number 7,210. To make the smallest four-digit number, we arrange the digits in ascending order, which means from the smallest to the largest. But since it's a four-digit number, the first digit, thousands place, cannot be 0. Because a number like 0217 is a three-digit number, 217. So, we need to start with the smallest non-zero digit. The smallest non-zero digit is 1, place it in the thousands place, followed by place 0 in the hundreds place. Now look at the remaining numbers 2 and 7. 2 is smaller than 7. So place 2 in the hundreds place and 7 in ones place. Thus, the smallest possible number is 1027.